There is unlikely to be a single Bengali who is not familiar with these illustrations. These and more have appeared in 17 novels and 18 short stories written by master filmmaker Satyajit Ray, featuring perhaps the most popular Bengali fictional detective ever, Pradosh Chandra Mitra, more popularly known as Feluda. Penned by Ray himself, the Feluda stories have captivated readers ever since the detective first appeared in print half a century ago in Feludar Goendagiri. Ray also directed two immensely successful and award-winning films on the iconic sleuth. Sonar Kella, released in 1974, was about an 8-year-old child named Mukul who remembers his past life and knows the whereabouts to a supposedly hidden treasure at the Jaisalmer fort in Rajasthan. The film won the National Award for the Best Screenplay and Direction in 1974. It also went on to win the award for the Best Children's Film at Tehran in 1975. Joy Baba Phelunath, released in 1979, was another box office milestone in Ray's career as a filmmaker. Set in the holy city of Benares, the film was about a lost Ganesh idol followed by a gruesome murder. Joy Baba Phelunath, for the first time, saw the arrival of Mogonlal Meghraj as a supervillain and Feluda's arch-rival. Aided by his cousin Topshe and close friend Jotayu, Feluda has cracked mysteries all over India and beyond, with a panache rarely seen in Bengali literature. No wonder his stories still top the bestseller charts even 24 years after his creator's death. Feluda has been immortalized on celluloid by the legendary Soumitra Chattopadhyay, followed by Shobyasachী Chakraborty and now Abir Chattopadhyay. Ray's filmmaker's son Sandeep has now taken up the baton to continue with the detective's adventures on screen. Starting off with Bombayer Bombete in 2003, Ray Jr. went on to direct 5 more Feluda films that were all box office hits. He's slated to direct 2 Feluda short stories that will release as a single film in the second half of this year. Now, in the 50th year since the first Feluda short story was published in renowned children's magazine Sandesh, a group of Feluda enthusiasts have come together to bring out an e-magazine to celebrate the fictional detective's 50th anniversary of appearing in print. Christine as Feluda and Kong Fans Forum on a popular social media network, this group has painstakingly arranged articles and artwork largely contributed by members of the forum to publish the first ever e-mag on Feluda. Right now, we are at the South Park Street Cemetery, one of the most iconic landmarks of the city of Kolkata. This place is also the backdrop of one of the most raciest thrillers ever written in Bengali literature. We are talking of Gorosthane Shabdhan, written by none other than Satyajit Ray, and was later transformed into celluloid by his filmmaker son Sandeep. I have with me Titli Bosu on my right and Pratik Mukherjee on my left, who are two very enthusiastic individuals involved in the Feluda e-mag. We'll speak to them about what gave them the inspiration to come out with this magazine and what are the other details involved in the project. Titli, when did you get this idea of publishing the e-mag?
We started the group with a very few handful of members, like 35 of them. After a year, we saw we are 10,000 members. So at that time we were getting a lot of inputs about Feluda, a lot of inputs about Satyajit Ray. We were getting a lot of write-ups, so we just wanted to preserve so much talent. We thought of the e-mag right at that point, and we thought of cultivating the talents and keeping it at one place as the form of a magazine.
Saurabh Nandi, layout designer of the e-magazine, said, "Though a major part of the stories have been contributed by amateurs, their quality has been really good, and that has made the work of the editors easier. Balancing the work with their regular professional commitments was not easy, but it was the passion for Feluda and his creator that led them go ahead with this Herculean task.
Well, Tipti, why an e-mag when it could have been anything else, like a printed paper or a
Why not an e-mag? First of all, we are an online group. Second of all, it's the age of being online. And we are 13 admins in our group. All 13 of us don't stay in Kolkata. Rather, few of us don't stay in India.
Yeah.
And we have a lot of members who are out of India. So, if we make an e-mag, we can reach more and more people. Whether if we make it in a printed form, we will be limited. So we didn't want to be limited. We wanted to spread Feluda globally. Hence the e-mag.
The contribution to the magazine, Shourabh says, outnumbered their expectations and they couldn't accommodate all the articles. The cover of the magazine has been ideated by renowned artist Debashish Dev. The most interesting part of the magazine are imaginary interviews of Feluda, Jatayu and Maganlal. That's what most of the readers are looking forward to.
You have named the e-mag as Mogojastro. Why Mogojastro?
Actually, when we were planning the e-mag, lots of names came up and everything was related to Feluda and the story. Then we were in a troublesome affair. We just conducted a vote and everybody just opted to choose for this name, Mogojastro.
Both Soumitra and Shobyasachী have written in the e-mag. Besides, Siddhartha Chatterjee, who played Topshe in Sonar Kella and Joy Baba Felunath, has also contributed to the magazine.
How did you form the team for the e-mag?
Basically, the team is our admins. We all are putting our own inputs. We all have our area of interest and specializations. On the basis of that, we have divided the work and everybody is playing their role very, very ardently. We are all professionals. Besides our professional work, we are really working hard to put it together and make this magazine a success.
So it's a collective effort of
collective
coming
effort.
together of minds.
Exactly. It's a little challenging as we all don't stay at the same place. So we take the help of technology and we do con calls. We have chat sessions where we discuss about how should we go, and this is how we are proceeding.
Since it's an e-mag and will be available over the internet, how do you plan to tackle the copyright issues?
We are planning to put our logo in every page of the PDF format, and we will also put an watermark which will, I believe, help to protect the copyright and tackle the piracy.
Pratik, what are the activities of your group that you have formed?
Summing up, I should rather record that everything which is possible under the sky related to Feluda comprises our activities. Right, we have a quiz every month. That is the high point of the group. Lots of people just come and respond, and they willfully take participation in the quiz. And rather, what should I say? Posts come up every day. Jigsaw puzzles. We do these small riddles sort of things, which all cater to the legacy of Feluda, which is going on for 50 years. No need to say more.
The e-mag is tentatively set for a 31 January release. All Feluda and Ray fans are keeping their fingers crossed.